More than 1,000 Australians under the age of 20 are diagnosed with cancer every year. Too many of these young Australians will face the distinct possibility of dying from their disease. Our motivation is to see children diagnosed with cancer not just surviving, but going on to live long, healthy lives. Our research at Children's Cancer Institute is informed by what happens in the clinic. And what happens in the clinic is informed by our research.
The Minderoo Children's Comprehensive Cancer Centre is the first of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. A coming together of the researchers and scientists at the Children's Cancer Institute and the clinicians and researchers at the Kids Cancer Centre. 900 people with a dedicated goal of improving the journey and saving children with cancer. It will be a beacon of training, a beacon of research, a beacon of hope.
We're using state-of-the-art technology to have insight into the patient's tumour. We get a blood sample and tumour sample from the patient. We then isolate what's called DNA and RNA, and then we perform sequencing.
She essentially spent the first 9 months of her life, having surgery and getting chemotherapy for brain tumour. Thankfully, her tumour from the first surgery was actually analysed by Zero. And, we actually discovered what we call a gene fusion. So what it really means is that there's actually potential drugs that's available to so-called target that particular gene fusion. She was actually started on this targeted drug, through enrollment in a clinical trial. And, surprisingly, or we were very pleased about it, is that she actually responded after just 3 months of that targeted therapy.
From wherever you sit, you can see that integration and that alignment and all working together.
Being in the same building, be it like a physical and a virtual room, I think makes a huge difference to what we do for children with cancer.
Now we can share these discoveries with our clinical colleagues and with our friends and the people in that Comprehensive Cancer Centre the day it happens.
We have everybody aligned, internally and externally, to do something really amazing, something that has not been seen before.
Our bright, full of life eldest son had brain cancer.
While Jack was generally in good spirits throughout his treatment, he did not have everything go his way. He had 9 emergency shunt replacements, including during his first chemotherapy treatment on his 4th birthday. Today, Jack is a healthy boy, enjoying his first year of school and making friends. He's not negative about his time in hospital. We could not be more grateful for research like Zero Childhood Cancer, because we truly believed it saved Jack's life. To see and hear tonight about the new Minderoo Children's Comprehensive Cancer Centre gives families like ours hope. We need more research, more collaboration and greater care. This wonderful facility will help us get there because kids like Jack depend on it.